Morinda citrifolia is better known as noni. Its knobbly egg-shaped fruit goes from green to yellow to white when ripe. And it's full of seeds. Cook Islands Noni Marketing produces organic noni juice mainly for export, and our customers are crying out for more. So we need more growers and more trees. Noni seeds can take up to 3 months to a year to germinate. To try to speed up germination, we scarified the seeds to roughen up the outer shell. We also experimented with soaking the scarified seeds for 1 or 2 days, but the wet seeds are much more fiddly to plant, and it made little or no difference in germination time. Even scarifying the seeds made only a small difference, so we didn't think that spending the time was worth it. The seedlings appear about 5 weeks after planting. They are then transferred into a dirt bag where they stay until ready for the plantation. Small size 5 bags are used, and the plants must be watered daily. They'll be ready for the field in 3 to 5 months after bagging, when they should have healthy green leaves and a strong root system. We fill the hole with organic compost from the local composting centre to give the plants a really good start. We make organic juice, so there's no chemical sprays or fertilisers used in the plantations. Weeds are kept down by regular mowing. And the old hires protect the young trees from mowers and the weed eaters. Six months later, the trees are 1 metre or more high and already producing fruit. The first fruit picked is small, but as the trees grow, fruit will be larger. Noni's not seasonal. Once the trees start producing, they continue all year round. Ripe fruit goes into the large blue barrels. Full barrels are collected, weighed, labelled and stored at the factory. Ideally, the fruit should be kept in barrels for at least 3 months to maturate. Junior is our processing expert. The presses are 160 litre hydro presses with no moving parts, and they require little maintenance. They have a large central bladder. The maturated noni is packed into the press, and when the bladder is filled with water, the pressure against the fruit squeezes out the juice. For darker juice, a longer maturation period is needed, and most of our customers do prefer the dark juice. The juice is filtered through clean white cotton material. This can be reused after thorough washing in plain water. The food grade blue barrels hold 125 litres of noni juice. When we have an order, we press, then pasteurize the juice for about 15 seconds, heating it to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 30 degrees Celsius. The pasteurized noni juice is then pumped into 1,000 litre IBCS, which are intermediate bulk containers. Filters for pasteurization are used only once. Some of our customers prefer bulk juice, which we ship overseas so they can then bottle it themselves. Other clients prefer bottled juice, rather than the bulk product. Noni juice has a sweetish smell, but some people say it tastes like liquid cheese. It contains many trace elements. The noni juice is said to boost the immune system. It's been used for hundreds of years by native Polynesians as a natural food supplement and a health tonic. A good way to take it is 20 ml first thing in the morning, sometimes mixed with fruit juice. Cook Islands Noni Marketing is certified every year by Australian Certified Organic ACO for Japan and the United States. It's also certified organic for the Chinese market. Cook Islands Noni Marketing has been operating for over 10 years.
I have some noni every day. It keeps me healthy.
Boosts the immune system and good for the body.
So keep you healthy, 100%.